YouTube Mastery and Monetization is the best YouTube course and community on the market. It shows how Matt Parr runs 9 different niches of YouTube channels without even showing his face. YouTube Mastery and Monetization teaches you how to launch, grow and monetize a super profitable YouTube channel from the ground up. It doesn't matter if you don't have technical skills or previous business experience. Everything you need to know is presented step by step in this tutorial. This complete course talks about just the exact strategies for starting YouTube channels from scratch and will show you how to start a YouTube channel and grow it to 500,000 subscribers in just 1 year. Everything is transparent for you and we show you the secret growth algorithms, tips, and strategies for rapid growth and the spread of the virus, which is not found anywhere on the internet. When you join YouTube Mastery and Monetization 2.0, you get full and immediate access to 10 modules that will give you everything you need to grow successfully. So you can create a profitable YouTube channel and have all the skills you need to start in the right niche and then take that channel to the next level.